There are several ways to disable the AutoStop feature of your RAV4. One is to press the button every time you start your car. That is kind of annoying. Another way is to disconnect a sensor in the engine compartment. It is located in the front near the hood latch as seen here. I would recommend covering the ends with electrical tape if you do this. Disconnecting the sensor will disable the AutoStop feature, but every time you stop for a few seconds, this message pops up. That is also kind of annoying. A third option is to buy and install this device. It automatically disables the AutoStop. It is a very easy install and is inexpensive, but reading the reviews, it seems like it stops working after a few months. There are several of them on the market, but they all seem to stop working. The AutoStop feature should be able to be permanently disabled by the owner through the car's settings screen. That seems like a no-brainer, right? I don't like the very noticeable hesitation when the light turns green and I try to accelerate. Anyway, I like the car very much. I just wanted to share 3 ways of disabling this one feature. Have a good one.